From communication to compliance and software to leadership, we've got you covered. Our library of off-the-shelf training for your employees is unsurpassed. Every course features a micro-learning format, each lesson lasting 5 to 10 minutes. Videos include engaging visuals, adult learning design, and live presenters to retain your employees' attention. Why online learning? If your company is serious about making a swift post-pandemic recovery, upskilling and reskilling current employees, or making effective online training available for geographically and work-from-home teams, you need training tools that engage the modern worker. Our online learning platform is designed to reboard your employees and help new hires hit the ground running. Each course follows best practices in instructional design and adult learning theory to get the learner to watch, learn, remember, and ultimately change their behavior. There is no better time to get started today with the best online e-learning experience on the market with Success Performance Solutions. Award-winning platform. Is this your first venture into online learning? No worries. Comparing e-learning vendors and course choices can be confusing. Our expert team is ready to walk through every step. Do you already have an LMS but are looking for different courses? That's an easy fix too. We can add any of our courses to many other LMS platforms. Worried that you're a small business and can't afford an LMS? We've taken care of that too with our award-winning LMS. We're so confident you and your employees will like our courses, we give you the LMS free. The only thing left to do is speak with us. Let us help your workforce excel in the new normal. How it works. From building business and software skills to workplace compliance, career development, leadership, and more, you'll be delighted at the learning process as much as you are with the classes. Here's how our process works. First, you'll get in touch with us by filling out our online form. Your contact information will be directed to our team of experts shortly. Next, you will be prompted to provide your contact info, which includes your name, email, phone number, company name, and which courses you want to preview. Now it's time to submit your contact request to our team of representatives. Expect to hear from us via email or phone as soon as possible. Prepare to start your online e-learning course soon. Are you ready to get started? Get in touch now. Give us a call or browse our site and catalog to find the best training solutions for your goals. We're absolutely certain you'll love our micro-learning process. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you'd like to support our channel and stay up to date with our latest courses and growth opportunities.